Entrance to the hostel, Sultan's House Girls Hostel. First, second, third, 3 floors. Spacious balconies. Gate. This is other side. Ample parking. Scooter parking, table tennis facility. Waiting area for the guests. And badminton court. Sultan's House Girls Hostel. Cooler. Double bed, 2-seater room. Table chair. This is 3-seater room. 3 cupboards, table chair, divan, attached bathroom. This is lobby, kitchen, RO. Each floor has 5 rooms, 3 bathrooms serving 5 rooms. Sultan's House Girls Hostel. First, second, third floor. Each room equipped with the cooler, parking, balcony rooms also available, spacious balconies, 2-seater rooms with well ventilation, and this is another room, lobby, fridge, a small kitchen. This is 3-seater room, cooler, balcony. Attached bathroom, balcony, as well as a storage facility. Sultan's House, Noor Bagh, Dorpur, Hati Duba.